Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my Paw Patrol toys. Welcome to my channel. Forget like and subscribe. Welcome back.
Is that Sky? Okay. What you got, Al?
Sky pumpkin.
What is the color of Marshall?
Red.
Red?
Yeah.
Very good.
Someone fell down.
Yeah, that's fine.
Keep falling down. Hey, can you get one now?
Oh, sure. And who is that?
Zuma.
Zuma?
Orange.
What is the color of Zuma?
Orange and blue.
Orange. Very good.
And blue.
And blue? Good job.
Everest.
Who is it?
Everest.
Everest? Yeah, what does Everest do?
Ice and snow.
Oh, very good. And
Chase go down.
it's okay. What else you got? Come on, show me more.
Chase. He backwards upside down. Chase got yike. Yike.
Is he a mighty pup? Show me. Pagtanong ni. Wow.
He yellow and blue.
Alright, what else you got in here? Another Sky? Wow.
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple. Wow. And what about this one? What is this?
My coloring team.
What is it?
My coloring team. Marco fell down.
That's fine.
Get Rocky
Who
green.
is it?
Rocky green and black.
Rocky? Okay, what else?
Got Marshall.
Marshall?
Got red and yellow and white.
Very good.
And back
Okay.
and rubble.
Show me Rubble. Good job.
Blue and yellow.
Chase?
You know the color?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's blue.
Tracker. Heck green.
What does Trucker say?
All ears.
All ears, that's right.
That's it.
What about Marshall? What does he say?
I agree.
Okay, what else? What you got in these boxes right here? Can you open it? You need my help? What's in here? Show me. Wow, it's all Paw Patrol too. What's that blue thing? What is that ball? What is it, babe? What you got? You got Play-Doh? Who's in there?
It's empty.
Aw, what about...
I need to put some more.
What's that?
These
What
are
is this?
Chase car.
Oh, that's Chase car? What else, babe?
Decoration.
Okay, what else? And you have your... Can you open your book?
What book?
Show me. This book right here.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let me make it part.
And just put it down and show me what's in there.
That fell down.
Wow.
I
What's
can't-
that right there that fell?
Let's guess.
What is it?
I didn't know what is it. What
Okay.
is it, Mom?
I don't know. It's like a remote control or something.
And back up here.
No, you show me the books first. What's that book?
All the pups.
Okay. Show me what is that book?
Rubble.
Rubble? What does Rubble say?
Rubble on a double.
Yeah. What about Chase?
They said.
You forgot Chase is?
I didn't know.
You forgot? Chase is on the case.
Okay, I know now. Try something. Okay.
Okay.
I dive in.
Let's dive in. Good job.
I swear, no, I ready to the.
Oh. Yep.
This I'm gonna take out. Dump it on.
What's in there?
I don't know what in there. A box. There's something in there. I'm really stuck. I need help.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Okay, I push it a little bit and you get it from the other side. Wow.
Sky. I'm ready to fly.
That's right. What else you got?
Say check together, find check together.
Chocolata?
Yeah.
And what puppy is that?
I read it real quick. I
Okay.
read it real quick.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, let's read it together.
But
Frango.
sometimes Chickaletta goes missing. Where is Chickaletta? Mayor Goodway wonders. My purse seems so empty without her. When that happens, the mayor knows just who to call.
There's some more pages.
One time she called the Paw Patrol because Chickaletta got lost in Farmer Al's popcorn maze. It's a code Chickaletta, writers said to the pups on the team. Let's roll.
I do all of it.
Okay.
That's the end. She in the corn. Okay, down here.
Chase was on the case. He used his heat-seeking goggles to find the wayward chick.
Get together.
Another
Go
time,
real fast.
Chickaletta got mixed up with a gazillion other chickens. All paws were ready to find her.
Sit back, Mom.
Just put it on the side, babe. Show me.
Can't fit.
Show me, babe. Where? Oh, that's cool. What else you got?
Yeah, fine.
That one? Show me. Show me what's in there. Oh! You got your head. Now,
Daddy playing with me right now. I want to play with squishies.
what is that inside? What is it? That's cool. What's that? Who is it?
Marshall.
Wow.
Now I want to play with this squishy. Robo-dog.
Who is it?
Robo-dog.
Oh man. Yeah. Is it?
We can push it. We can push Rocky up or down. Wow! I need hook. Wait a second. I will hook it on first. How do I hook it on? Oh.
You got big boat. Who's driving the boat?
No one.
Where is the driver of the boat or the captain?
Yeah. Right. Ow. Marshall. Lucia. Now I hook this on. With Mamie. Maybe here.
Where?
Underneath here.
Okay.
And then roll it up. And see how Rocky can turn over. I got a Rocky now. So when I push up, see my can go. When I push him, you get it out of there. Any more here? Robo dog. I do robo dogs. About around the neck. You can. I can't figure it out. Oh, great. Hey, Marshall, he knocked down. He about right over here. Right here. Up. Down, down. You hook it on. You need to be in charge. Hey, Ryder fell down.
He's gonna cry. He's still hooking it up.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
How about show me your boat? Come on.
Go wheel.
I got wheels, your boat. What's that?
Be ready here.
Okay.
Go and hook it on. Just two hooks on here. Two teeth. Sorry for going to stay ready. How about the octopus? That's for the octopus. Got the octopus. That for the octopus. Coming for something like this. Can roll it up. No.
What happened?
No, dear. I don't know how to get the wheel off. Daddy says I guess. Yeah. But oh yeah. Push it down. Nothing to do with it. Marshall. I need a young ladder. It needs connected. If I need a ladder to connected, it'll get shorter. Rocky. But get the jelly beans and even out of there. Okay, put that right there. There's some more. I spotted. And there's some on top of here. Then I'll crack them. And then here, crack them in there. Crack them in there. One very big crack. Got hole here. Where's the other thing? Oh, here. I forgot. Sit in there. Right in the dot. And tiny chase here, big chase here. Here the chase. We got baby too. We got really a baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I want to show you. Right here, baby. Chase. Chase badge. And then Chicayetta so hard.
Where is it?
Chicayetta out here. Get the knife for cut Play-Doh, slice down. But these big Zuma. Got them. Keep on right in there. Good. Where? Oh, I need to put this together. Temperature. And yeah, so big. I want the Play-Doh. You open it, Mom. Please open it, please.
Okay.
I need to slice it.
Okay.
Cut. Like a cake.
Yeah, maybe put it in here for now so we don't make mess. All right.
Okay. So I want to stir it up. So I want to cut it to pieces. I want to slice it. Cut the Play-Doh. Cut it. Cut this piece. Cut it. Yeah, yours, Mom.
Like mine.
Yeah. Like you wearing on your chest. I'm good at it, huh? I might make a worm.
What you're making now?
A worm.
A worm.
Yeah.
Show me.
Tiny worm.
Cutie. Hi.
Put it right on there. Cut this piece. Throw it to a bowl. I'm making another worm. Ooh, pepper.
Oh yeah. It
And
looks.
he got a worm too. I put it on top of there. I put it in the launcher. Put it in there. And then I'm like, over like that. And then I'm like, squeeze. I can't do it. Fall right out. I need to do some more. That's it. I smash it up. I get wet. My bag.
Careful.
Come in here. Come on here. I'm waiting for here. Sit down.
You're gonna show me what's inside your bag?
Yeah. For crackers, for snacks,
Oh, really?
and some
Show me your bag first.
and for gummies, for snacks, another snack, and bread.
Bread! You have bread in your bag. What's that? The tag?
Yeah. No, you're not that. Just a decoration.
Oh, decoration.
I put it. I want to hang it up somewhere. What am I doing with it? What am I gonna do? That's it.
That's all inside your bag?
But I have some more in there.
Who's your keychain?
Paper. My pencil box. and
Show me your
box.
pencil box. Okay.
And that's it in there.
Okay.
The two stuffs. And then there's some more stuffs.
Where?
I got water for drink when I get so tired. And I got the hand watch.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
And I got a real watch. Real
Show me.
watch.
Is that a Paw Patrol too?
Yeah, Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol one.
Uh-huh.
That's it in there. That's it.
Okay.
I got. And I got Baby Marshall hanging up.
Where? Oh, yeah. He's cute.
Yeah, he's very cute.
You like him?
Yeah, he's smiling at me.
Really?
He loves me. Yeah, that's why.
Oh, he loves you?
Yeah,
Do you like him?
yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
Sky and Marshall.
Really?
Yeah,
You love them both?
yeah.
What about the other puppies?
Yeah. I love all of them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I leave it right there.
Okay.
Right there. Hey, Baby Marshall. And thank you for watching. See you next time in my video. Bye bye.